Hey guys, want to use a keyboard and a mouse in Rainbow Six Siege on your PS4? Here's what actually works and what doesn't. So first, the truth. Rainbow Six Siege does not natively support keyboard and mouse on PS4. Plugging them in won't work. You'll still be stuck with controller input, but there's a workaround. You can use a keyboard and mouse adapter. Devices like the XIM Apex, Cronus Zen, or Ria Snow S1 convert keyboard and mouse input to mimic a controller. So here's how it works. Plug your adapter into PS4, connect your mouse, keyboard, and DualShock controller to the adapter, launch Rainbow Six Siege, and configure sensitivity through Adapter's companion app. Also, while many players use this method, Ubisoft and Sony do not officially support it. It's technically against the spirit of fair play and may result in matchmaking issues or penalties if detected. Also, you can use a PS Remote Play on PC, then connect your keyboard and mouse to the PC. This method adds input delay and isn't suitable for competitive play. So while this game doesn't officially support mouse and keyboard on PS4, adapters make it possible with some risk. If you enjoyed this video, if it was helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more console gaming setups.